Hi, I'm Dr. Lynna, and I'm here at Westside Spine to talk to you today about neck pain. Now there's many different causes of neck pain, but today what we're going to talk about is muscle tension and decreased range of motion. So if you ever experience stiffness in your neck or hold stress in your shoulders, what we're going to do today is give you some techniques to help reduce that. Today we're going to talk about dynamic stretching. Dynamic stretching is different than static stretching in that dynamic stretching goes through the whole range of motion and static stretching is just holding you in one position. And as we know, nothing in life is ever static. Okay, what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and demonstrate what dynamic stretching looks like. Erica's going to go through the motion that I want you to do at home while I describe how you should do it. So the first thing that we're going to start with is she's going to go into neck flexion, which means chin towards her chest. What she's doing is she's hooking her hand behind her head. As she comes forward at the end of the range, she's going to just put a little bit of overpressure. What that's going to do is create that extra little bit of stretch. It should never be painful. Okay? Now as we go through these here today, we're just going to go through 5, but you can do 10 at home, 10 repetitions, and you can do it as many times a day as you would like. So next thing she's going to do is she's going to take her ear towards her shoulder, and to do that she's going to use her right hand, and she's going to come up and then go back to the side. The key for this one is to make sure you keep your nose pointed straight ahead, that it does not go out of the plane going straight ahead. Now when she's doing that overpressure at the end, it should never be painful. Okay? Good. Now she's going to do the same thing. She's going to come towards the left, and when she does it to the left, she's going to use her left hand. When she's moving to the left, always use your left hand. When you move to the right, you're always going to use your right hand. Now the next thing she's going to do is she's going to look at a 45-degree angle, and she's going to take her right hand and she's going to take her chin down towards her right armpit with that extra little bit of overpressure at the end. Now like I said, these exercises should never hurt, and also this video is not a substitute with talking with your own doctor. This exercise is great for stretching out the muscles that can cause some tension headaches later in the day. Okay, so she's going to stay facing the same direction, and this time what she's going to do is she's going to take her left hand and she's going to take her left ear towards her left armpit. This one helps stretch out those muscles that get tight in the front from us looking at our computers and down at our phones all day long. Okay, and then I'm going to have you go ahead and do everything to the left now. So you're going to look down, take your left hand, and you're going to take your chin down towards your left armpit. There you go. Perfect. Good. And now what we're going to do is stay facing the same direction. You're going to take your right ear towards your right armpit. Excellent. This exercise helps a lot, especially after car accidents as well. All right. Now the last one we're going to do is rotation. So when she does that, she's going to take her right hand and she's going to put it up onto her left cheek, and she's going to move towards the right. Okay? So when you're doing this, I want to make sure you're up on your cheekbone, not down on your jaw, because we don't want to end up causing any joint problems in your jaw, TMJ. Now, when we go through dynamic stretches, this is a series of stretches while in motion. It supplies the muscles and the entire joint with blood and nutrients. Getting good blood flow to the area is critical for healthy joints and for range of motion. Along with that proper blood flow, the muscle fibers and connective tissues will gain more flexibility and range of motion. And studies have actually shown that dynamic stretching can help increase power, increase flexibility, and also increase your range of motion. So that's it from us here at Westside Spine today. Thanks for watching. If you have neck pain, you're experiencing neck pain or headaches, give Westside Spine a call. We'll get you out of pain and back to life. Bye.